Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today.
Hi, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to build a carport on this side of the house to do a few things for a few reasons. One, give me a place to work on stuff on the outside. Two is so it makes this side of the house cooler on the inside because it gets very hot in the summertime. So we're going to take some measurements. We're going to run to Lowe's and buy what we need.
How many bags are we getting? 3?
All right, so we made it back from Lowe's. Yay! We're going to do our 3 holes for our post. Sit down and watch.
Feeling your age?
Just about.
Five and 5, that's 10 foot.
That's not 10 foot. You overlapped yourself.
I know.
Roughly 9 foot 6 inches roughly.
I was off by 6 inches.
That's what she said. Alright, so we got half the frame in done. The three main rafters, if you want to call them. Joists. We'll cut everything off once my posts. We're going to get ready to do the concrete. Once the concrete settles and sets up, then we'll top off ends and finish it out. So let's get started on some concrete work. Alright, so we got the concrete in there, got it watered down, let Mother Nature help settle some of it down, and we'll be back my next day off to finish up.
And for those of you that like to know how much a project costs so far, with the 3 posts and 3 bags of cement, we've spent about $85. The other boards all came from that deck that we recycled that was at the house that was going to be torn down, and the deck was only a year old. We did a whole video on spending, I don't remember, a week or 2 tearing that whole deck up. The wood was still really good. So we have built the outdoor shower, the pergola, and now this lean-to / carport. So the only other costs we're going to have associated with this should be the tin for the roof, the corrugated metal, corrugated tin, whatever you want to call it. So that's where we're at cost-wise. Of course, your cost would be different because you probably wouldn't have the recycled deck material that we have. Then again, maybe you do, but that's where we are cost-wise.